This is the brand new Axial SMT10 based sport modified monster truck build that I just wrapped up. If you've been following the channel, you might remember my original Axial SMT10. It started out as a ready to run gravedigger right when the truck was first released back in 2016 and slowly evolved throughout the years up until I sold it in 2021. Now last year I finally made it out to my first few solid axle monster truck competitions. Moving forward, I hope to attend at least a few of these events per year, so I figured it'd be interesting to build a truck that I could race in the sport mod class. Most of this build really isn't that special. The axles, drive shafts, shocks, transmission, rear sway bar, and interior are all directly out of an Axial SMT10 raw builder's kit. What sets this truck apart is the chassis. It's a one-off twin vertical plate aluminum chassis that I designed myself. It's basically a combination of the stock Axial SMT10 chassis and the custom tube chassis that I built back in 2017 for my Max D replica. I designed the chassis to utilize the stock SMT10 body post and be able to fit a Proline Racing Jeep Comanche body. Since I'm running the shocks directly to the axles instead of the suspension links, I opted to get rid of the stock plastic SMT10 lower links and upgrade to some Incision stainless steel links. Just for looks, I threw on a pair of 3D printed Shapeways Zoomy headers up front, and of course, no monster truck build is complete without a set of J Concepts wheels and tires. For this build, I went with a set of racer tires on black Tribute wheels with some blue beadlock rings. In order to compete in the sport modified class, I threw in a Hobbywing Quick Run 1060 ESC paired with a J Concept Silent Speed 17 turn brushed motor. The SMT10 comes with a 14 tooth pinion gear, but to get a little bit more speed, I added a couple of teeth and switched to a 16 tooth pinion. For steering, I'm going to try and run a Spectrum S614S servo and Losi servo saver setup straight out of a stock Losi LMT. My electronics are all plugged into a Spectrum SR215 2-channel receiver, which is connected to my Spectrum DX5 rugged transmitter. And then to power everything, I'll be running a 2S 5800 mAh Gens Ace LiPo battery. Overall, this build runs really smooth. I'm pretty happy with how everything looks and functions. It'll be interesting to see how it stacks up against other sport mod trucks. When I'm not racing this truck, I might end up throwing a 3S brushless system in it just to get some more exciting footage and be able to do some stunts with it. But for now, like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.